Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new Draw With Me. Today we are drawing together a simple Posca pattern that doesn't need a lot of drawing skills to draw, but it's a really satisfying and relaxing thing to do, so I hope you will enjoy it. So to start, I'm creating a frame around my page. I'm drawing a border at 1 centimeter. Then I'm sketching some bubbles which are close but not touching each other. I'm applying some masking tape around the frame following the 1 centimeter border to avoid going out of the border. I selected a color palette and I'm doing some little dots to place the colors so I can see where I will put each color. I'm not filling the colors right away because if I change my mind about one color, it's way easier to correct a dot than a full drawn area. When I'm happy with the color placement, I'm starting to fill all the areas. It's important to start by the lightest color and then applying the dark ones. It's the same than for the dots. It's way easier to correct a light color with a darker one. I'm using a smooth paper so the Posca are easy to use on it, and I'm trying to not rub the paper too hard to avoid damages. And when every areas are filled, I'm removing the masking tape to see the result. It's really easy to do this kind of patterns and I really like how it turned out. If you're drawing a pattern using this small tutorial, I would love to see it. Don't hesitate to tell me in comments if you have some questions, and thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!